Over the past 60 years, Sunlook has been dedicated to providing every global consumer with series of powerful, environmental-friendly, reliable, high-tech, and new energy battery products with superior quality. Being one of the biggest alkaline battery manufacturers, Sunlook ranks #1 in Asia and #3 in the world, and our quality has been far beyond IEC standard and national standard. By developing new energy fields like producing the lithium-ion power battery and solar cells, Sunlook has become the first full-scale battery manufacturer in China. Our products not only cover full-series mercury-free alkaline batteries like LR6, LR03, LR20, LR14, and 6LR61, but also other batteries like rechargeable batteries, button cells, lithium batteries, and so on. The scientific quality management system casts a solid fortress for Sunlook brand. Sunlook owns 7 research and development institutions and a postdoctoral working station. The cutting-edge research equipment could fully meet the tests, experiments, and development requirements for all types of batteries and materials. The powerful scientific research platform provides strong support to the new battery energy development. As a leading figure in alkaline battery industry in the world, Sunlook is the only Chinese battery enterprise which is qualified to attend IEC Standard Revision Convention. Chinese President Xi Jinping came to Sunlook to visit AA alkaline battery production line, which won a second prize of National Science and Technology Progress Award. Sunlook implements help desk manager service system and builds customer-focused sales service team. We provide exclusive service and one-stop solution to different customers, advocate barrier-free communications, and keep good interactive relationship with customers. With the advantages of Ningbo port, our products are sold to Europe, America, Africa, Asia, and Oceania. The sales network spread across more than 80 countries and regions all over the world. To boost our brand, we signed a contract with Golden Horse Film Award winner Huang Bo as our advertising endorser. The core of Sunlook is to build a vigorous and learning-oriented team with complete system of human resources, training and promotion. The spirit of Sunlook is diligence, service, passion, and innovation.
Sunlook 电池不仅致力于体育事业，还积极地投身社会公益事业。
In the past 6 decades, Sunlook has been continually feeding back to the society. Our perseverance gathers new strengths to make every dream come true. Sunlook battery is characterized by strong power and endurance. Around the core values of environmental friendly and feeding back to the society, quality and innovation, credibility and humanism, Sunlook keeps on carrying out public and charitable activities with strong social responsibilities and becomes a model in public welfare. Sunlook battery is not only full of energy, but also full of innovative spirit, rooting human being, and more importantly, it is full of the determination of all the Sunlook people to promote our national brand and to be on the top of the world.
out of power. Which dustbin should I choose?
Sunlock battery is environmental friendly. It can be disposed together with household garbage.